Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones with Oculus Meta Quest 2. And to do this we'll need to open our quick settings, right here navigate to normal settings and enter the devices. And now it's the time to enter pairing mode on your headphones and open the Bluetooth. Click pair. Here let's wait till all of the devices are visible. Here's my headphones, so we're gonna click on them and they should be pairing. And now we just oh, it's this one right here. Let's try this one instead. Not sure if you could hear that, but now my headphones are paired to this Oculus headset. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.